populated country over the world, all over the world. According to the recent survey in 2019, we are almost 1369 million.
Yes, sir.
We have got 1369 million almost. That is a huge number. We are second after the China is on the first place. So what is the basic reason behind that we are on the second place on the population? What is the basic reason behind that? There are few reasons we can count on fingers. The first one is rise in birth rate. The second one is fall in death rate. The third one is the early marriages. According to my opinion, this is the most important reason of the increasing in the population. And the next one is illiteracy. That plays also a major role in increment of the increasement in the
increment of the population. That has played a major role in the
increment of the population. So first, rise in birth rate. Birth rate depends. Birth rate what it shows? It shows that in a particular minute or in a particular second, how many children are taking birth in this country or in this world. That shows the birth rate. Right now, we are having 1.08% birth rate, which is as equal to the Somalia, which is in the 74th number in the list of the population of the country who are shortlisted in the population. We are on the second one, and that particular country, Somalia, that country is on the 74th position. So we are having the birth rate equal, but still we are on the second place. That means that now we will move on to the second point, because if birth rate is equal, so there will be another aspects which are playing their roles. Clear? So now we will move on to the death rate. In India, the death rate is very low if we compare it with the birth rate, because we are having the birth rate 1.08% and death rate is almost 0.35%. If I am right, I am not sure that. Okay. Now move on to the third point, early marriages. Early marriages, according to the science, because I think all of us are science students. According to the science, the appropriate age for marriage in girls, that is 18 years, and for boys, for males, that is 21 years.
That should be
21 years. Yes. If we are doing that before the given age, so the age of the time of fertility that will enhance, and when it will enhance, so we will be having more time to fertile it, to use it. So that also plays a major role.
That also has played.
That has also played a major role. Now moving on to the fourth point, that is illiteracy. I think, sir, should I leave the podium?
Yeah. You will give the figures. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to give you the figures.
Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to give you the figures. Illiteracy. Where is? Sir, I can write that.
Yeah, you can erase.
Illiteracy plays roles in two types, in two ways. The first one, that is lack of knowledge. And the second one, that one plays a major role. That is your desire to get a male child. You desire to get a male child. That also comes under illiteracy. Illiteracy.
Exactly.
Because if you are desiring a male child, that depends on the God, not on the God. If you are depending, that depends on the male. Whether it is a girl or a boy, that does not matter. But if you are doing the particular process, so you will get at least a child. You will get that. So the second one is desiring the male child. These are the main reason of increment in the population. So lack of knowledge. What does it mean by lack of knowledge? That means the Indian population, the Indian citizen, they are not aware how to use the contraceptives. They are not aware to use the contraceptives and many more things to stop the population. That is that may you can take it as a taboo topic, but that's not. There are many ways to stop population. Like there is add-on condoms and the contraceptive pills. These are the ways to stop the population. And if we are talking about desiring the male child, so the desiring of male child, that is not a good sign for our country, because if we will not get you are not getting a baby girl, so how you can take birth? How you if you are having both the child male, you are having both male childs, so you can't expect them to give a birth, give a baby, give a birth. Yes,
To he baby.
yes, to he baby. Yes, sure. So what I mean to say, what I am trying to say, basically that is according to me, the basic factor, the most major factor, that is desiring a male child and lack of knowledge. If we will aware the people that how to stop the population and how not to desiring a male child, so that will play a major role to stop the increment of population.
Right.
So I would like to end my point here. So thank you.
Thank you.